Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to block and unblock Snapchat users. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to ignore or go back to the ones you already blocked. So let's get started by opening Snapchat. Now, go to your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner, and then the settings icon at the top right corner, and then scroll down until you see blocked. As you can see, it says blocked users. Just open that and all the blocked people will appear here. So if you want to unblock them, all you have to do is tap on the X next to their name. So if you have anyone blocked here, they will have an X mark next to their name, and all you have to do is just tap on that and you're free to go. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.